A leader is one who sees more than others see. He or she sees farther than others see, and he or she sees before others see. Today, we're talking about moving the people that we care about, the people that we might employ, our family and our friends. We're talking about moving them through the next few years, which I believe will be difficult financial times. If you agree with these three statements, then this video is for you. Number one, the stock market is at an all-time high. Number two, credit card debt is an all-time high. And number three, it's harder to save than ever before. These are the facts. Now the question is, what's the solution? Someone once said that if you want to know the future, then you should know the past. Study your history and you'll know what's coming, because life happens in cycles. Things that have come in the past, they're going to come again. They just come in different forms, but they do come again. It's just like saying that fall always comes after summer and winter after fall. And it cycles and it comes back again. It always does. The last time we saw the stock market this high with these kind of gains, it crashed. And the time before that, and the time before that. Another precursor to a market crash is high credit card debt. You know, in 2008, people were maxed out on credit cards. They were maxed out on debt, period. And you know, the crash happened. And here we are again in that same situation. People are still shopping. People are still, spending on credit. Well, okay, so I've stated the facts. Now, what do we do about it? How will the coming economy impact others? How will it impact you? It does not have to impact you the way that it impacts others. Remember that leaders see more, they see farther, and they see before others do. And I believe that you're a leader. You're going to be able to lead people through this coming economy. So it's time to prepare. Here are three things that I'm doing, and I would recommend that you consider it also. Number one, reducing debt. Whatever your personal debt is, whatever you have on credit cards, loans out there, do everything you can to reduce that. We're approaching the holidays. Maybe you want to cut back on some of the spending for the holidays and apply some of those funds to reducing debt. When money is tight, you have to make decisions. And I remember, 2008, 2009, money was tight. Credit cards, if you weren't around or if you weren't, an adult around those times, well, credit card companies, if you had a $20,000 limit on your credit cards, credit card companies reduced your limit to $5,000, $2,000. They dramatically cut back on the money that they would loan you. So if you're someone that is used to, when things come up, you can go get $5,000 off this credit card or go, buy something with credit. When the market crashes, when the economy goes south, you're not going to be able to do those things. So if you reduce your debt now, you will be in a situation where you can then cut things that you want to cut, things that, that's not important to you, things that are not going to hurt you as much. All right. So reduce your debt. Number two, max out your credit score. You want to get your credit score up into the high 700s or even 800 if you can, because when money is tight, banks only lend to those that have super high credit scores, super high history on paying your debt. If you've had, foreclosures, repossessions, they're going to be less likely to loan to you. So you want to get your credit score as high as you can so that you can be prepared and be one of those few people that will actually be able to get loans in a bad economy. Number three, prepare. And this is probably my most important one. Prepare the people around you, your employees, your family members, your friends. Get them together. Get them together during these holidays. Spend, 15, 20 minutes talking about, the things that we're talking about today. The stock market is an all-time high. People are, in debt, where this thing may go. And if things happen the way that I believe it's going to happen, you don't want your family members and your friends to be the ones knocking at your door saying, hey, I know you manage your money well. Loan me some of your money because I've mismanaged mine. They're not going to say all that, but that's the truth of the matter. So educate them now so that they're better prepared, so they're not knocking on your door, so they're not needing of your assets. All right? All right. I hope this information has been beneficial. I hope that you get something out of it. I hope it's something that you can share with others. All right? So please like, subscribe, and share, and be blessed.